real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is the channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so Christmas is over and I've taken down all of my Christmas decorations. As you can see, all gone. I did leave those out because New Year's is just around the corner. So I figured, you know, we need a little disco ball love in our life for New Year's Eve. So I left those out. Those are some ornaments. I need to get another tote to put those in. And I left the little mercury glass trees over here. The wreath is gone. But we took that down. And so what we are going to be doing today is styling up my little entryway table. You guys remember when I styled up this area for Christmas, I had my little nutcrackers here, and I love using the entryway table. And I asked you guys if you thought I should leave the entryway table or if I should take it away. A lot of you guys said to leave it, and my entryway is really small, as you can see, but I do have this little space here that always seemed empty. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to use this little entryway table here. I don't have a lavish entryway like you would see where some homes have a huge foyer and they have a foyer table that greets you before you come into your home. Well, I don't have anything like that. My area is small, but I still want to style it up like I do. So that is what we are going to be doing today, my friends. So if you were looking for some entryway or foyer decorating inspiration and you have a small foyer like me, well, stay tuned and see what we do with this little small area. And hopefully it gives you some inspiration for your space. All right, so today we are going to be styling up my little entryway table for winter. I put this table here, it was a collaboration with Lowe's, and I had my nutcrackers on it, and then I was like, I really like this. You see my lights turning on? It's getting evening time. I like the warm glow, but I like the table here for Christmas. All the Christmas has been taken down, by the way. We'll get to that in the next video, but I just wanted to do a quick styling here in the entryway. I'm trying to use this little table. So I have this vase that I picked up from Home Goods. It was $24.99. So because the wall is black, I'm thinking, let's try this with some greenery to see how it will look. So let's add the greenery. All right, so we have these greenery stems from Kirkland's. I'm just going to add them to this vase. Reach you up a little. So let me step back. Yeah, I think I like the white vase. So then I I don't know, something that maybe we could drop or hide our keys in. So I have this little box I picked up from Home Goods as well. It was $7.99. So smooth this over a bit. We'll add this, and then I also want to have some metallics during winter. So I figured we would bring in this metallic candle holder. We'll add a little candle to it, and yeah, I think I like that look. So this is the first entryway look, and I like it, but I think maybe we could do a little bit better. So let's try changing out a few things. So New Year's is just around the corner, and I have this disco ball candle that I use for Christmas. I'm thinking, what if we add that here? How would that look? And I like it. Let's take the little top off. So that's how that would look. I always like to have something metallic during the winter, so that's why I am experimenting with the candles. Let's try something else. All right, so I have this glass candle holder, and I think it might look really nice on here as well. So we changed that. And let's add a candle. Let's see how that looks. It's okay, but I want something a little smaller in scale, so I don't think that's going to work. I have this little tree. Even though Christmas is over, I am leaving out a little of these mercury glass trees for the sparkle for winter. I like that. What if we add a candle? All right, so I added back our mercury glass candle. And I like this look as well. Again, simple, nothing over the top, but we have the greenery that pops against the black wall along with the white vase and the mercury glass. I think it's a perfect winter look here in the entryway. Leave me a comment down below, but let me know what you think about this look. So we've seen how it looks with a white vase. Let's see how it looks with a black vase. We'll take away this vase. And then I have this oversized black vase that was also a collaboration with Lowe's. It's a little bit taller. I think if I use this is the only thing that we would be able to get on this little table. We'll go ahead and add back in our greenery. And let's take a look. here's how the larger vase looks. It looks good against the white. And I like the greenery against the black, but it's just not giving me the feel that the white vase did. But leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Maybe if we tried a smaller black vase, let's do that. All right, so I have this black vase that I got thrifting. It was like a red color and I painted it black. So let's switch out this larger one and we'll bring in the smaller. And we'll add in our stems like so. I like that. Let's step back and take a closer look. All right, so remember this glass tree that we got thrifting? I want to try to use this. Again, I'm leaving out trees, and this one's made of glass, so it looks sort of like ice. I like that. It's very simple, simplistic. That could work for the entryway. Leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think. But let's say we change out the candle to this one that's mercury glass. Does that give us the same effect? No, I think I like the disco ball candle better. Yeah, I like the look. I like the cool mirrored look against the glass with the black and the green. So, but leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. All right, so I switched the vase back out to white, and I think this is the final look that I am going to go for. For winter, for this entryway table, I like the glass, the mirror disco ball candle, the white and the green. I don't know, I think it just looks so much better in the space. Also complements this part of the entryway, so they're similar. And I did leave the trees out, like I said. Yeah, so I think this is the look we are going to go for, but leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. Was it number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4? I have to say I like this final look, so leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. So I hope you guys have enjoyed styling my entryway for winter. Yeah, I liked all the looks, but I think this is the look that I am going to leave. So if you have enjoyed today's video, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. We have lots of fun, budget, luxury, modern luxe decorating coming up in 2025 that you don't want to miss. And with that, my friends, let's take one last look, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.